Hi, this is George Harris from the Periphery Podcast. As we come in today, as we continue to push yourself to greatness, thanks again for all the things that you do for the podcast as you take yourself out there in the world and try new things and try different things that we're trying to accomplish in life. Don't be afraid to get knocked down and try it again over and over again. It's just all about getting back up, pushing yourself to greatness, pushing yourself when you're tired, you don't want to do it. You got to just keep pushing in. So you're so closer than you think you are to your actual goals. So continue supporting us, liking us, subscribing us to everything that we do. And we will see you on the next one. Thanks again.